Hey, content creators. Have you ever uploaded a video, sat there hitting refresh over and over, hoping the views will roll in, and then nothing? Just 7 views. And 2 of them are from your mom. Trust me, we've all been there. So today, we're diving deep into the 10 real reasons why your videos might not be getting the views you hoped for, and exactly what you can do to fix each one. Let's get into it. Think about this. Your title is like the headline of a news article. If it doesn't spark curiosity, make a promise, or solve a problem, people will scroll past it. Bad example? Day in my life. Sounds nice, but why should anyone care? Better. I tried waking up at 4 a.m. for a week. Here's what happened. Fix it. Use emotion, curiosity, numbers, or a value proposition. And if you can, sneak in a keyword to help with search. Your thumbnail is your video's first impression. If it's dark, cluttered, or doesn't match the tone of your video, people won't click. Think about the top creators. They all use bold text, 3-5 words max, close-up faces with emotions, bright colors and contrast, clean layouts. Quick tip: use Canva or Photopea to design clickable thumbnails, and A/B test when possible. Did you know most viewers decide whether to keep watching in the first 15 seconds? If your video starts with a long logo animation or you ramble without context, you're losing people before the content even starts. Instead, start with a hook. Ask a question, tease what's coming, or show a clip that builds curiosity. Example: here's how I went from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in 30 days, without spending a dime. Boom. Hooked. If your video isn't being found, it won't be watched. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, but you have to use that to your advantage. Tips: add keywords to your title and description naturally. Use tags wisely, even if they have less impact now. Look at what top-performing videos in your niche are using. Use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to analyze and improve your SEO. This doesn't just help search, it helps YouTube understand what your video is about so it can recommend it. Clickbait works only if you deliver. If your title is "How to Grow on YouTube Fast in 2025," but your video is just vague advice like "Be consistent" and "Believe in yourself," your audience will feel tricked and click away. High click-through rate means nothing if your audience retention drops fast. Always over-deliver. Give more than people expect. Teach, entertain, surprise. YouTube favors channels that post regularly. Why? Because it sees you're active and likely to keep viewers engaged long-term. You don't need to post daily, but you do need to be reliable. Pick a schedule you can actually stick to. Once a week is ideal for many creators starting out. Let your viewers know when to expect you, like a TV show. It builds trust and habit. This is a hard truth. Bad audio is worse than bad video. You can get away with shooting on a phone these days, but if your mic sounds like a potato, people will leave. Fast. Tips: use affordable mics like the Rode SmartLav Plus or Fifine USB mic film in natural light near a window. Use soft music, but keep it low in the background. Don't over-edit with weird transitions or loud effects. The goal is clarity, not Hollywood. YouTube rewards videos that keep people watching, not just yours, but any video. So use strategies like teasing future value. I'll show you the tool I used at the end. Adding chapters or timestamps. Using pattern interrupts. Change camera angles, add text, sound effects, etc. Make your videos engaging to the last second. The longer they watch, the more YouTube pushes your content. It's not enough to hit publish and hope. You need to share on Facebook groups, Reddit, Discord, and forums. Repurpose your video into short clips for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts. Embed it in blog posts or email newsletters. Ask friends to watch, like, comment, but don't fake views. Every little push helps. Be your own biggest promoter. This might be the most important point. Success on YouTube takes time, trial and error, and a whole lot of patience. Most people quit after 5 or 10 videos, but many successful creators made dozens, even hundreds, before things took off. That one video that blows up, it usually comes after you've posted for months. So if you're not seeing the results yet, don't quit. Learn, adapt, improve, and keep uploading. You're always just one video away from your breakthrough. Let's recap. Strong titles and thumbnails. Hook viewers early. Optimize for search match content to expectations. Be consistent. Invest in quality. Promote your work. Don't quit early. Which of these mistakes are you going to fix first? Drop a comment below. I'd love to know where you're at in your creator journey. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tips on growing your channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.